Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu says that Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu said to my mother, Hazrat Sulaim, I heard weakness in the Prophet's voice, and I noticed that it was on account of hunger. Do you have anything to eat? She brought out some barley loaves of bread, and taking her dupatta, head covering, she wrapped up the loaves in a part of it, hid them under my clothes, and wrapped the remaining part of it around me, and then dispatched me towards Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He says, I taking them set out and found Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam amidst the companions in the mosque. When I stood by them, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, Has Abu Talha sent you? I replied in the positive. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, with food? He states that he said yes. Thereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to the people accompanying him, Get up. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam set off, and I walked ahead of them until I reached Abu Talha. So Abu Talha said, O Sulaim, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam accompanied with the people is coming, whereas we have not enough food to serve them. She replied, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know well. Hazrat Abu Talha proceeded to welcome Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam until he met Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam both proceeded until they entered the house. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Sulaim, bring whatever you have. She presented to him the same loaves of bread. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded to crumble them, and Sulaim squeezed all the ghee out of the leather bag as curry. And then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam pronounced thereon what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, Permit a batch of 10 people to eat. So they were permitted, and they ate their fill and departed. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, Permit 10 more to eat. So they were permitted. They also ate to satiety and went away. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, Permit 10 more to eat. So they were allowed until all the people present there ate to the satiety, and they numbered 80. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5381.